Hello, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, I will show you how to use check-in in iMessages on your iPhone. So let's open iMessages application on your device, and you want to go to any conversation to which person you want to send your check-in. And before we start, I need to mention two important things: that both users must be on iOS 17 or even later. And the second requirement is that you have to make sure that location services are enabled on your iPhone. Okay, so when you are in the conversation, you want to tap this plus icon, and let's find check-in option. Now, if you want to edit some details, you want to tap on check-in, and you will get some options. If you want to select when I arrive, which is basically destination based option, and the second option is after a timer. So you can set specific time, for example 30 minutes, for when you want to check in. Okay, and additionally, what regards data sharing, you can choose to share a limited data, which is your simply current location, or you can allow full data that adds a route traveled and some more locations. If, for example, your this option check-in fails to send. Okay, and now you want to tap this send button in order this person to receive your check-in. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.